Hello, this is Nick from Quit With Nick. I wanted to share what at first hearing sounds a little weird, but let me explain. The point of a stop smoking aid is not to stop you smoking. I'll repeat that. The point of a stop smoking aid, the aim of a stop smoking aid, regardless of what it is, patch, pill, gum, Champix, Zyban, lozenges, vapes, hypnotherapy. The point of all these methods to help you quit is not to stop you smoking. Well, how can you say that, Nick? What is the point of it then? The point of any stop smoking aid is to give you a certain feeling. What's the feeling? Obviously, it's a feeling of control. Now, on hearing that, it's like, well, yeah, duh, okay, right. But the reason I'm sharing and doing this video is because you would probably agree that smoking, and especially quitting, is a mind game. It's all about it's a game that is won or lost in the mind. How you perceive quitting, how you process it, your beliefs about it. It's all a mind game. If you, as the smoker, are intending to quit and you are using an aid and you've gone to the pharmacy or Coles Woolies for that matter and buying Nicorette and whatever, if your mindset is geared to this belief that that is going to stop me smoking, you're on shaky ground mentally, because its aim is to give you a feeling of control. If the aid has given you a feeling of control, it's done the only thing it's meant to do: change the feeling. If you do feel some kind of feeling of control, then it's done its job. That's all it's there to do. The obvious idea behind the quitting part is that the only reason you're still smoking when you don't want to do it anymore is because there's an overwhelming craving. What's that? That's a feeling. That's some overwhelming agitation and mini anxiety and panic attack that if you could just do something to make that less intense and give you more of a feeling of control, then the quitting will happen automatically, right? That's the whole idea. So that's why they're called, in a nutshell, all of these things are called stop smoking aids. They're not called stop smoking, do it for you. It's called stop smoking aids. What is it looking to aid? It's looking to aid a feeling of control, not your commitment to quitting. Clearly you've got the commitment. Clearly you have a strong desire to no longer want to smoke and get all the many benefits you would naturally get once you quit, obviously. But the thing standing in the way is that craving, urge. So any method, regardless of what it is you've tried, if you have gained a feeling, any feeling of control, it's done its thing. The rest is up to you. Now, clearly, aids vary greatly in their ability to give you that feeling of control, obviously. So whatever method has worked for someone, it's clearly given them a good feeling of control. When I put worked in inverted commas because a lot of people, especially with hypnotherapy, which is what I do, in case you don't know already, they'll ask, one of the first questions is, does it work? And I say, well, the better question is, does it help? Not does it work? Because quitting smoking, on one hand, has a very yes or no black and white outcome. You're either doing this or you're not. Fair enough. But the cart has to be behind the horse. The horse has to be in front of the cart. You're not going to stop doing this if the thing you've tried hasn't first given you a feeling of control. And because the result is a feeling, clearly that's a scale. Gave me no feeling of control whatsoever. You could say that whatever it is you've done hasn't worked because it gave you no feeling, absolutely no difference. From there, it's gradations, it's a scale. It helped a tiny, tiny bit, a little bit, yeah, quite a bit. Yeah, it did help somewhat, a lot. Wow, amazing. Oh my God, I feel like I've never smoked. It's a scale, it's a sliding scale, just like pain. Pain is either not there or not. It's a scale, 0 to 10, the International Pain Scale, right? So I wanted to share this just to help give you the mind tools and tricks to just frame quitting in the right way for you. You're looking for a feeling of control over those overwhelming urges and cravings to quit. And if it's done that, it's done the job for you. And different ways do that with varying degrees of success. Not only because the methods have varying degrees of success, but because every single human being, including you, is unique. Everyone's different. We've all got different histories and beliefs and experiences and traumas and all kinds of stuff. We're unique individuals, and everyone comes to my session with a completely different set of values and things. So just something to consider. If you've liked this video, please like and share it, subscribe. I'm always sharing. I've got a lot of videos on this channel that could help you get the mindset to quit even on your own. This is Nick from Quit with Nick. Till next time.